So this is the paperclip trick to troubleshoot your switch. There you go, I got a good charged battery in there. All I do is take this paper clip, I'm gonna kind of bend a little bit here, a little bit here. I'm gonna give myself just a place that I can take these two connections off the switch. Okay, I got those off. This is a 12-volt system, so you're not going to shock yourself or anything. But what this will do is bypass that switch and let us know if the switch was the issue. If it comes on, the switch is the issue. If it doesn't come on, you know the battery's good and charged, then we need to do a service request on the website.